Welcome to everyone, Super Global Host. Our another software integration with Jatka phase 2 is complete. Jatka Futura portal. This is the software. All the Jatka fit is coming. So after confirm, we will send this invoice to Jatka, and Futura portal integration also done. This is the company, and the status is active. The date to date it is active from today. The integration also complete. So there have several days to remind from the Jatka to make this integration. First 30 November 2025, then 31 December 2025, then 31 March 2026, then 30 June 2026, and finally 1 February 2027. So there have penalty if you do not make this integration. So please contract with Super Global Host to make your software compliant with Jatka Phase 2 and with Futura portal. Assalamu alaikum.